All of that thing is just going on.
that?
I think he's just calling him on.
Bring a big office. Dive in, Trey.
I was just stepping that dude.
Stolen building materials.
Just before I walked over here, I got a voicemail from Joe wanting me to take pictures
I'm gonna kill Cash.
with the cameras.
I guess. I don't know.
Guess
Why?
Because I like him the least, so he probably did it.
Oh!
No, I'm kidding. That's a Steve. Wow. Hold it. There's nothing in there. Is there?
There's a whole bunch of stuff.
You better be careful, dude.
Ah. There's no docking station, which would mean that there has been a cubicle moved, and I sit somewhere else.
What do you mean there's no docking station?
There's no docking station here on the counter. Maybe they picked it up and put it in a desk.
Yeah, your name's still here, buddy. So it's your area.
Did your badge work?
Oh.
This is a new process of termination.